Hello, my beautiful people. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on where you for the watch this my video. My people, as soon as know for this our channel, say we they bring gists. Apropos anything with no concern gist. Now with the land for this our channel. That's why you see this channel with the column. Apropos Saga TV. Anyway, if you don't see that channel, news and gist what they do for dear. My people, I beg, make una continue to encourage this channel by subscribing. Just subscribe. It don't take anything from you. Subscribe, put on your notification bell, like and share. I will also appreciate all of you when they watch our video, when they share our video, when also they like this our video. We really do appreciate you all. Okay, guys, I go leave una make una watch this video. This is our latest gist. May I leave una make una watch am. Okay, my people, I will see you now for my next video. Bye bye.
Because the one when you won't finish ahead finally. You are welcome. Effect on the patient in me on me. Me. I went on your more so no man ya hekuri for me. Good morning, sweetie. Now faith now you get patient says no me. I never hit your head for worse since. And I would they hit and continuously. Continuously as I hit they make you constantly. Wa feel like you do the gbe on ne, wa feel the gbe on ne. Wa de war. No war, idiot. Chakabondo. Chakabondo. To ruler. Adulterous to ruler shewo. Ovie do no basha wa mu no via unsa. Ne kwe mu wa gbe wa gbon. Na so faith, na so this one, and so that one. She never marry, yes. Ovi also ga we ginebo. Una bi agbasha wo mune. Murebo mune. That not be juju. Not be juju be that. Be agano wa kuna bas. Now you be the real kuna. You go dey go down where kuna. Where they look. See kuna. You claim say you married. E kiere ye go na ria ohin. Wetin be that one? What your ni? Kuna. Rogodoya. You constantly aga go esi gun. That one le. Wetin be that one? Adulterous igwe wa gun. Uju ye mere. Very sticky human being. You for your stay single now because you will stay single. Can I come and married? Which marriage? Because he won't do and you make you do one. He want pepper that one. He want pepper this one. Inigo how much on circumcise shaboki put. How boya win na yawe marriage no gbe wa gbon worry ya. On the man win you. Idiot. I mean say that one get paper no because of paper. Eru dey be. They expected the thing. How now? How that to take fian? Fake life, you guys. Cause hey, Jesus. I win you. I call you. I bet. Make it not be say. I know not the 500 euros. They want not in. Then she audio fake. When like really? Now she even is a man talk more. You be tie. No when one by girls war. I can person when say if they walk and they walk, then when you want marry the camera, so he spend every night. Now that na 500 euro, 1,000 euro. Now that one put all from beginning to the end. They so to mu your egbe. The ring in mobile. Go back. Now be you buy the ring. If it for I what do your boy? Because if not buy for hand, not day your boy, Junior. I what do your boy? Nene de ringa muyo ba de sutra muyobo. Yeah, make it for they presented because so that you put that one for front, not making now bowl any key. I say na money or one dark moriane. Make it for even look better person. Say na musu na mwe. We na ye nama. Idiot. Now you fair where you win rubbish. You can't rubbish when you feel your body from head to toe. Now this kind of people that defend the junk come on. When you can well on how you walk boy. Come tell the people as you take buy ringi. No ya the ringi mu your bo. Ne kuemu. They walk. All that you do here just to show off. Just to show off. Now she not wear no midday. Cause the life not be like that. We are wafia. Yeah, they say if two people they do and self, they are gonna say one. Oh wow, who wow free for nothing. How many times I even tell you that I say no go die. Like, hey ya who? Who like no go die one day. When I can't tell you, I will like all these things, all this way they do. If one person you're done, I don't finish it. You can't say not true, not true. Cause I am when nama here. You must make up with the people, make up to the expectation. I'm a derigi muyo, but I'm a desuto agbo muyo, but na lao ademuyo. Wa fian gu buy, wa fian gu. Die now. Now that time me they will pity for you. For this time, I'm the pity for you again. If you like ufian, one my come. E no go allow me. I don't trust a she ewu. I don't trust a she. You buy ring, give ma. Buy suit, give ma. She say how much she spent for the marriage. No any go ne. No consider lao. No make una ask how much the man put. And the man they work. Yes, they work. 1,000 euro. And the rest. You cannot say Kenoramu. Yo moyo, ni kuemu. Ado a toge. Do a fianyagbe. Ero. You won't try meet up after how many years for Europe? All I be like me going away fight Europe because of marriage. Me I know they will see any other this thing. Me I know they will see her for now. I will nick this adulterous idiot where. Yeah, nick because I lie too much. Oh, I will nick her. I know they will see me. I know they will look. I know they see all those ones. Maybe share, like, and share this video. So, Ketekia, you say you are ready. The drum of war, what you they find? Oh God, now, God say, okay, for the people, for the records, for the people, when they find, when they say, me fake contact. I hope you are ready. At the point, like what I was saying, I hope you guys are ready. Because when you go finally, me boom. I know what you no. I hope you guys are ready. I hope you are ready. Because all got power here. No, not see they take truth. I hope you guys are ready. When they first get the idiot now, when they first faith for where she did. She know what thing will fall for her head. Nobody say she don't know. Or even all day young. She don't want to make everybody, make people know from another person, man, the way when I useless life be. We know ya so that no make enough for. But one thing when she don't know say it don't go finish. That's where she don't get sense. Get effort that yeah why never vote there. No, me na zwa. Me say another year when they talk. Say don't what the lad ya water for. Wait till she don't know how stupid that she is. We hear why no. For social media, like finish. You kiss Chris, I'll be waiting. You kiss Chris. I don't know what the the two ruler they think. Oh, I don't know what she they think. She first, okay, that your lying tongue. Your lying tongue. Oh, Vera TV, I see you there. Thank you, my sister. That your lying tongue. It no go fit. You no go fit Bena. You no go fit. And even people, when they so-called they support you, they know the truth. When the time still come, the mimi, or a matter. Once on our valid, they all keep pay here. Even the one when me don't land, she don't keep her. Oh, may I 20, maybe even if not 20 years to come. You no go finish. That's what you no get sense. Women want, but you they call for her. You are calling for it. Oh, make it for finish. Now that thing when you come, I will like, hey, make it can make it for finish. That's why she they talk different thing about face. She they talk all those rubbish. They say now, so you go talk all your friend name. You go talk this one. All those the friend the way they talk. The one way not Mama Nancy knows you. That time nobody go hide again. None of them go come out for you. All your useless life, not be only faith, no, not be only me, no. All of the way they call them, no. Me, if you can make it finish, make it finish. Why you don't want to use your useless man top where you sleep? Why you don't want to use her? Make it cut and make it finish. And for your useless man, if you say go finish, oh, well, wow, for the social media now. Go and sleep. Go sleep, dream. Maybe not dream you day. Make it for finish. Finish for where? Where for one finish? Am I there swimming? You're the one make your finish now. When they never even start, you don't they put finishing. Hey. I'll when I got bo. If say na juju they worry you. Okay, not the social media. You don't understand social media. I don't trust a shiewo. Make it for finish. They never even start something. You don't they put the expiring date. Now you want talk, huh? Water we no ya for whether we will finish water. How get money carry lolo phone. And that one nothing even dead there. Am I here 14 now? Wa biki wa deva wa. Ovia pe Victor wife for short be butu rula. Shut up bando. Why your mind say go finish? Shut up bando. He dey call for the drummer. He dey call for what she know if even withstand. We wear that baby. Shut up bando. Umi be asun be ase. Ah bozoy. I when the mic kon say it don't big rich. Or some kwame live video. They look your live video like this. You know what like they me oh that I will jump come out. That I will jump come out you make boom. All the lads here they dig me. Even if I was like na can take care of this. I divide the camera. When you is a polok. All the fois. I Jesus. This idiot not even know where she even come. Wow, worry about go. I wish you know where you come. If you're not the fun, the beginning they find everybody will not find you. Yeah, wedding name. I wish you know where you even come. You for even stay your lane. No, you say you want popular. Cheap popularity when you know will let you use no bell. When you're done for all the garbage, the useless, the having haters me wrong, having the useless one to support you. When you are dig me, so I'll shoot to la eh? Not be saying I shoot there your man fly. You go shoot comments. Oh lads, yeah. Pow! Bell. Very senseless, useless human being like that. Make it make her finish. Finish what we are. Am I there when a waffle for your mind? Social media now. I better get out. I wanna resolve. Na wa gbasa wona muno wi ansa na ga weki ale le kon na pa wan enwa pa se ro wo hu no gbe wa gbon no wo awe no wo ano wa deva when you go come dey claim say I get sense. Single sense you not get. I design your full generation for here. warrior. Idiot. Radio. One way. For the call you they call ready. Get ready. And very soon you go there. And for your information, I say me I can't give you the information first. F4. Okay? F4. Not before your dream. You know go finish. Until you we are going to let la one self for how they go chase you for real. Who ye let la wa for? Who are the live video for? You hear huh? You know go finish. But the one where they pretend say they support you today. Ah, yeah, do ya boy no time. So F4. Hey, that a war for. That one they make me the verse. You know go finish. Make out I may finish. What do you want finish? Are you mad? You get sense at all? Now what you know if start? Now you dey. Now what you know if finish? Now you dey start. When you make to 1 hour for Baba, so that you make a rest of mind. What they be where can I rest of mind? What they be more? Oh, when you go here, I remember the day when they we marry a bag no or mommy. I'm so happy because he make you worry. Then when as soon as you know like yesterday or marry. He do marriage finish. When I sit there, I that I no gree sleep or marry. She no this girl no sleep. Oh wow, oh my God, so bo. I was like, you know, wait, you know sleep. Where see, and I should find the trouble. Make you rest. I want them get back ya okay, Kate. E dogbo no leg guy. Ah me, I too happy oh. You no sleep oh. When you can we marry we near la wa. You see this is the oga so bo. And if you near the heat go, oga ba ne me ga ba you e gbe oga ba. As they hot for body, the go they hot for your body too. And this thing, a social media young years, night they sleep till daybreak. A lot of na ye me na ne. If they paper of okay no wo. If they paper, they don't know why are ye me na here no. O ma vie. The next day the same thing. Anaga leg back. Ah God. May you rest. No. And this one way they call so it will worse past that one now. Or worse this way. And the good thing about it say now only uncircumcised man and then you they cry for only a bag only a bag of maca who am away now. So no need like I'm so happy I'm not going to be hearing the cry. I'm not going to be hearing all those notes like I too happy. Come here, what like we I call Lovie, why we fan, oh, was so good. Me, why we I sleep die. He went with me over now 24/7. Why me, but oh, like that do me. Oh, moi. Shut up! I'm boy. If the I would the face camera, then I may we are so boy. Wow, warrior. Anyway, that time, even poor for my body, say I would happen. I'm your waiting. I have a pack out of the comment, they call it. Oh, who you say they say, oh, where? Oh, that's so boy, when I'm not dead there. I had the little. Why you call they cry for back if you be all one? We have time here can all one. If you off camera finish, they say, oh one. No. I got so boo. Wow, bell. And they were done here. No. I thought when they do this thing, see that time. Okay, Nina apology. When you report my page, when you cause that thing, the pain when you cause my body that time will make me do that apology to all beneath that time. Yeah, wait in the name. I go kill anybody when you go call my page. If I catch you for real life, make I tell you. If I catch you for real life, say for this one, say I go beat Katie enter ground. If I go press your neck. When I do that apology to beneath that time, when I call they cry that time, when it cause now I this idiot na I cause I go beat time. Yeah, bed in the That was the only time when be say I couldn't cry that time. This idiot now every day she tell they cry. Every blessed day. Oh yeah, so me and Nike Zebi. And those ones that they do that time, they're not going to even do you like the one I will do you. She caused pain for my body. This idiot, she caused pain for my body then. Make I cash you. Ni mwe. The pain when she caused for my body, that was it early this year? Was it early this year? When she did it down, when this idiot, she can bond to did it down. Very soon, no, why I go make her. Me mind there is we are Nike. Yeah, Nike. And everybody will tell you, say, rest now. If you were by, I will put you. I'll put anything in near you. If I hear and say rest, if they go do you that thing, you will tell me. They make because they need down, they beg everybody. They say, this idiot, Shaka Bondo, this witch, this devil. She and that uncircumcised small prick. You will say, me not beat until infinity. They won't let bear me bad name. Oh, this idiot no go on beg generation. She was behind it. She was behind that my pain then. And now some of them they remember that time. When you remember that thing that time. Ria nick you. I go nick you. Ya nick you Zeb. Because they know they do that to person. And she claimed she was my friend. She claimed she was my friend. She woke up. She woke to nera. She woke down. Doctor's idiot. No go. She claimed she was my friend. She can't cause that pain for my body that time. Y'all they wait for your own. Y'all they wait for your own. They wait. Wait sure say you collect. Y'all they wait for your own. Why am I her way? Check my own don't finish that time. And I apologize to everybody. It don't finish. All of them don't rest. Y'all they wait. Now when I know so now you there behind. Why am I her way? Mudia her way. Kete kia adulterous ashiye wo mudia her way. Wait for your own. And no go talk say make I rest. Ujo wa heme dia. Uwajo wa heme dia. Wait for me. E money kia no gun gbe wa gbo. Don't they put him that one me I don't get that one for where I need them again. I don't get them for where I need them. Put your mouth. Oh, rest now. Then you forget what this idiot do me. Where be won't turn me to all the enemy of everybody. As I they remember him because he will come look fresh. Then he remember and the name, the bad way won't give me everything. What did they follow and they go? Then he remember he nick you way. That's why I tell they nick you. Ketekia. You and that your true life idiot. So I tell nick you. So why Mudia? So for those that are looking for faith to come and talk, I hope you are ready. You guys are ready. Because a bomb, you know, you need to why never water there. Not be say if it does that now. Oh, bad friend, bad friend. Yeah, I mean, just got and I go find you. Ya gualuwa. Ya gualuwa. How they find you now? How those who fake accounts or anyone will be real. Bad friend, what did they do for more than 6 months, going to 7 months now? Wamamio because now from Lolo, now this job for start. Faith come out. Say all when the faith, if he come and the truth he will talk. Now truth, it won't be like when they lie. Not be Lolo find you, now you find Lolo. Now truth, now she go talk. Because she didn't want make faith come like now. Emma Tayan daughter, because you they forbid lie, you now also lie now for your mouth. She no go feel lie because I mean they get boy in time. Aga when now you find Lolo, now you find Monica, now you find Rita, now you find Yore, now you find all. So make it come and call they lie. Faith come out. You don't know when they say make faith come out. Faith come out. Aga like nothing but the truth, and that one I go kill you. Lie no they do person anything. If they talk like my body, you know they do me anything. But now when it be truth, Yes, or shook you. We know where all the one that I tell since not truth. You know, now make you won't die. You say you go to shook, make faith come tell me say me stop. No. Faith get you. You know say not truth. You know is the truth and not the truth. Now let you the lie. Unu we oh you know rag no me. Now your mat day unu watch. We saga we go wash. Anyone we feel like wash and it never even starts. On my wa seke very yo seke no ruodo. It never sekerish. And when he goes seke pass this one, ketekia, you go the na 24 hours. So here I live video no here I explain. Explanation I do. Make you not believe them. Make you not the other no do adia. Anywhere no carry ane. Wagbo. Dano babe. Dano kirono jila wo. Hey, T-bros. Faye, just go. Faith, you cuts the mic perfectly. Kate is in pain. Serious pain, no. And she's trying so hard. Now, right from time, she did pain. She no get joy. She no get joy. She no get happiness. She know they take care of picking. She know they take care of husband. She know they do anything. You know? Every Sunday, we know what, and every Sunday night they give the man on have a muneo or ya mu enene who muno. Ask me to this one call advice. If not go if you follow the kind way when she tell the way, except say you know what she know. Una me know where if you can treat your husband like that. If you don't know what she know, they give your husband to talk for once in a week, sometimes once in 2 weeks. I bet me the man of go find will give the leg. No what's I say you know say you lock and throw away bottle, lock and throw away the key. Like the way when this idiot do. I tell do a boki or if we wanna feel sorry for his name Mikbo. You know say you not lock her. Go imitate her. Yeah, imitate her. Later you come cry for this live video. Oh, we are those so. Hey, my husband don't give my belly. Oh, he don't go from another family. Oh, yeah, another man I can say. Go imitate. Yeah, imitate. Hey, no, if not be another beautiful family, your husband will form with one shekel. Especially you lock her for bottle first. Don't fail to do that. Like the way we take care. 2 times a week, 2 times in 2 weeks, sometimes 1 time a week. I was like, not be juju be that. Wait. She won't say people know her secret. When I never even know the real one. Now the real one na faith na hold on. Me man faith in our way. Me man anyway, not because of how. Not because of how. Not because of how. Where did idiot now? Because even here faith here. Not because of how. Not because faith get beautiful family like faith the year. Oh no gbijo gbera. Ogbodo. Guys, you know me tell you don't slap that man. Be your wait they call me for bed. What is it? They don't start again. See? Por aquí. Don't open me on one day. Even so one day. Once you don't open door for them. Now your bed they open the press. If not beside they expect something. Faith, not because of her, not being made faith. No one call open and yes, finally as everybody you know do. Faith, if they talk to faith, they listen to a mama, they listen to her family. If that person talk to her, she they hear. Like when one of our mommy when Nicola says they say she they beg faith. Yes, she they hear. This idiot. You know how many times this idiot they slap that man? Pure power. You know? Ije akpan imama. They blast that woman. That woman they say she won't go Nigeria. I don't know. Now this idiot now see the whole land. Oh no, no, no. When go up all the cost when the decade head then. To even they beat your mama. Or say they beat the man. Oh no, it's a thick bunny. On your he or fear if you can oje. Now total money now put uncircumcised manner for them. So anything or who beat the slap or the bass goes when they see if you be around. That one to the extent when they want marry, but here we marriage now. For we all of us they say make we beg this idiot. Need to be or be we can be careful with marriage. Make it no give her. Why? Who want torture? That's what, like who? Your mama will be the man when you marry. Or who? Who? Not because I'm not being made faith no. No. Faith now because of people when faith they respect, but she know they respect nobody. Nobody. It's just one with the power. As he shot, so you know, as he takes shots for ground, now so he had to be very devilish human being. Oh no. They talk more when you and Nana picking go kill him. Cause if you raise your hand, say your ni mama na help him for his children. No guana bishaka bondo. And you know with the day so the day go call faith, the day go they cry. Oh God so well. Waiting they see for this idiot. That one will complain. The day go complain and give the other children. This idiot will come if they tell her. Why did they go they complain, they give his children? When this marriage still happen? When we did there, the same thing. Or I see a bonny when another visitor did there, me I did there, say did there with like this idiot. Is that how useless you are? Marriage time, everywhere digest. We married. You don't be telling me, see, me use in your mama. One day I was like, who get mama really like if you get something? She even can't tell me, say, I mean when you not us when we not get mama, we like the mama even past this idiot. When we not get mama, when they tell us like this, even when you get time, oh yeah, boy. That one will die one day. That's why sometimes they cause it. No, they cause the day because of family. Cause this idiot who women or normally on the regular or send the day I can do. Not the day or send the day I can do. So what's the day I? Now pity because the one will let you the do is enough. When is enough. And my picky go kill them. In your way, then. Mama don't swear for them. But when you woman, a real more way, not because so. Oh, you have been except everything when she do that the day. Now good now picking one when you born with a useless to go kill them. Oh, you have fear on him. Cause what is they do the day if you use your eyes, I mean you won't kick it. Ah, one your part of the evil when she do to him mama when he born, you go want press her neck. You want press her neck like you will not get mama. You they cry while fear away. How can you be doing this to your mother? If for the husband, oh, neither you don't. For the other one, he marry, maybe they not go that side. Either you don't. That one, me and the thought say na you go here na that one go find region. I make and stock. So any slap and boss and bang when that one they receive, he deserve one cause. Now let the mama the pity for. Now let the mama. If it is damage, if mama talk in the ear, oh no. Forget it. Mia. Then we are, but they say you won't come out. You don't tire. Who are phone? You know how many times I don't cut phone for this idiot? The way you go, they curse him, mama. I'll say, I don't want to the hearer. I never brought the God in heaven. I say, I don't want to be hearing it. No, they do this thing for me. I know for video call or for this. I go cut and I say, I know if I say I be bad person, I forget many record of this idiot. Instead of me to cut down the record down. If I don't have a bad person, I think on they pay me rich. Me and Faith will go cut call. My fear your who. The woman is not old. Who tell you say no old? Person when he born 40-something years, 50-something years old, picking up, he not old. He ain't where you are. No, he not old. He agbewa. Go kill him. Oh God, tear bonnet. I will come call and say, I don't want to hear. And me, I don't get my mind. You know? And you will get mama when he help you. Me and they talk and say, I wish I get mama. I for don't bon tete because he a wa be wa mune. I for your father one. I for bon give one. But as I not see person, you see the one when they help you because of that one back that you they feel they go anywhere. If you're born like those children now your mama, now those children they call mama. Those children don't know that should exist. If that TJ come out, those children will hear it like they are going to feel it because this is